Hey, Fidel, thanks so much for taking some time to jump on a call with me today. Got a couple of questions for you. So what caused you to reach out to me for marketing help in the first place then?
I wasn't getting the response that I liked, and so I decided to get a hold of you, and I'm really happy I did.
Yeah, I think we've only been working together for about 2 months now. But what sort of results have you seen thus far, just within the first 2 months?
Well, in the first 2 months, I've seen everything double and even triple as far as calls coming in and everything, income, everything. It's
Yeah,
been great.
yeah, like 3x your revenue in 2 months. Who wouldn't want that? I think you went from like 10 or 15 leads a month to now you're doing, well, it's been increasing, but it went from like 70 the first month and then I think 85 for the last 30 days or something. Does that sound about right?
That's exactly right. Yeah, I'm amazed. It's great.
So, how quickly did you start seeing results after we started working together?
I would say within 3 days, 2 to 3 days.
Right. Started getting leads and customers and everything coming through.
Yes.
Sweet. And I know it's kind of early. We've only been working together for a couple months, but what sort of changes have come about in your business with this new increased flow of leads and customers?
Well, I've had to hire more people to keep up with the work demand, and I'm very happy with the calls.
Good. Good. That's a good problem to have to hire more people. And finally, what would you say to other business owners that are thinking about working with me?
I would say not to hesitate. It's worth every penny to hire you, and your business will increase 100%.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate it. Thanks for taking some time to jump on a call with me. And have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk soon.
My pleasure. You have a great day.
Take care.